Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here, and welcome back to another video. It's very good to have you here, and let me ask you a question. Are you based here in Australia and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, but the number one thing holding you back is maybe, hey, I don't know what product to sell on Amazon. And maybe the second one is, how much money do I need? Do I need 10 grand? Do I need 20 grand? You know, what's the budget? What's the, ROI? How much money do I need to get started? How much money do I need to buy my first shipment? These are all very good questions. And if you have these questions, then you're sort of on track, right? So first of all, finding the hot product, that's easy. That can be done in less than a day. Seriously, you can actually go through, you can find 5, 10, maybe 20 different products, winning products that are doing really well, that have low reviews, that don't have many competitors, that are actually great quality products that are very cheap on sites like Alibaba, right? The second thing is, how much money do you need for your first order? Now, that really and largely depends on your product, right? So if of course you're importing electronic devices and stuff that's really high end, then which most of my students, 90% of my students don't go after, we usually focus on more basic products, right? But you don't actually need a lot of money, right? You actually can start this business. 2 of my students in the last couple of weeks started just with $800 to $1,000, even less than $800. They actually started their first shipment. They bought about 100 units of this particular product. So you can actually buy units very cheap. In fact, one of my other students, I only found out about this yesterday, she spent $350 on her first shipment. So if the biggest thing holding you back is I need money to make money, well guys, if that was true, I would still be broke, right? 20 years ago, I would never have started anything, right? So what I'm saying, guys, is you do not need money to make money, all right? You can actually start on a very low budget. Now, not every product you can start with less than $500, but between $500 and $1,000 is probably ideal to get started. So don't let that hold you back. Guys, if you are looking to get started, check us out. We've actually got a free video program on our website. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a button here or here or here or somewhere on this page. Subscribe to my YouTube button. I do release a video a day or every 2 or 3 days, and it gives you great content and great feedback. So guys, get started. Don't let money hold you back from getting started on Amazon. If you're looking to quit your job, create extra income, quit the 9-to-5 rat race, get something started today, no matter how small, but make your baby steps. Make a step somehow towards your future, towards your goals, all right? Otherwise, if you don't do anything, nothing is going to happen. Nothing different is going to happen to you. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have an awesome day, and I wish you truly the best on your Amazon success. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got 2 choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?